This external gaming drive offers an enormous 8 TB capacity, giving PlayStation 5 owners room for a huge library of titles and media. It connects over USB 3.0, so transfer speeds are brisk enough that moving games between the console and the drive feels reasonably quick for everyday use. The unit is specifically tuned for PlayStation 5 compatibility, making it a practical way to keep PlayStation 4 games ready to play without filling the internal solid-state drive. Because it relies on a high-speed enterprise-grade hard disk designed for continuous operation, it feels well-suited to long gaming sessions and heavy use. The refreshed internal drive is housed in a sturdy new enclosure, which helps it run quietly on a desk next to the console, while still looking clean and modern. For players juggling many large games, being able to archive PlayStation 5 titles to this drive and restore them later is far faster and more convenient than repeatedly downloading them from the internet.